No doubt Arsenal has had a couple of rough years, but is Arsenal doing something to get back to that glorious past that they had under Sir Arsene Wenger, to live to that nickname that they were called the Invincibles? Are they doing something about that? I think yes, they are with this summer transfer window. The kind of players that they're targeting in this transfer window and the team that Mikel Arteta is trying to build, I think it is actually working. They just need a little bit of more time to make it all work together. After Tavares and Lokonga, now Arsenal is targeting Ben White and the deal is almost done. It's a £50 million deal for Ben White. Let's talk about Ben White first. He's a 23-year-old centre-back and Arsenal has brought him from Brighton. From Brighton, he went on loan to Newport County, then Peterborough United, then also Leeds United. Guess what? For Leeds, he played in every game and helped them win the 2019 and 20 seasons championship and got promoted to Premier League. And listen, Leeds wanted to sign him for £25 million, but the deal got scrapped and he went back to Brighton. So in previous season, he played for Brighton and had almost 36 appearances. And also, he won Brighton's Player of the Year award for 2020 and 21 season. Listen, Brighton finished 16th on the Premier League table, but they were one of the best sides defensively. They had 12 clean sheets, as many as Liverpool and Arsenal. And also, they managed to concede 46 goals, just 2 more than Manchester United, who finished on the second place. Ben White is a very calm and composed player. He is very strong in duels. He is technically a very gifted player and has fine range of passing, impressive pace and also tough tackling style. He is a centre back but can play as a defensive midfielder and also as a right back. He is a progressive minded player and believes in forward passing. He makes those forward runs, which is why he gets very threatening when it comes to counter attacks. And the most impressive thing about him is he dribbles the ball out of defense. In previous Premier League season, Ben White had the most dribbles completed by central defenders, and that was 24. Now there's a question that is it a good deal for Arsenal considering that they had the 3rd best defense in the previous season that they had and they managed to concede 39 goals, the 3rd best in all of the Premier League table. 3rd best. Only Chelsea and Manchester City conceded less number of goals than Arsenal. Is it not that they need an all-in-all striker more than a defender right now? Now listen, Mikel Arteta believes in the philosophy of building the play from the back, which is why David Luiz was very important for Arsenal. But since David Luiz is not going to be there in Arsenal anymore, that is why Ben White becomes even more important to make those forward runs, to build the play from the back, and we can see him being in the playing 11 for Arsenal because obviously they're not spending 50 million just like that. Like I mentioned that he can also play as a right back. Now Arsenal's right back, that is Hector Bellerin. Inter Milan has a lot of interest in the player since their right back, that is Achraf Hakimi, who left Inter Milan and has signed for PSG. So they need and are really looking forward to sign Hector Bellerin from Arsenal. We can definitely see Ben White being in the playing 11 and starting from right for Arsenal, being as a right full back for Arsenal. It's a possibility because he has a very impressive record in that area. So there's no doubt that if Arsenal is signing him for 50 million, he can be utilized from that position and would be very good for Arsenal. Arsenal has a very young squad. If only Mikel Arteta and the whole squad, he can make something out of them, make something work for them, I'm sure that Arsenal will become a side that will become very hard to defeat. No doubt they're very inexperienced and young players and they need a strong leader who can motivate them and make them win silverware since Xhaka won't be there anymore. So it will be the duty of maybe Pepe, Lacazette and also Aubameyang to, build a team, build this Arsenal team because they have very solid players and Mikel Arteta needs to know how to use them, how to properly find their position and make these players into a team. Also, let me know in the comment section below, do you think that Arsenal should have spent 50 million on another defender or they should have targeted some other player? Do let me know about that. That is it from me today. Thank you so much for watching this video and also thank you for 1,000 subscribers. 1,000, that's insane. I did not really expect that would happen, but it did. Thank you so much and also thank you for all the love that you give to this channel, to the love that is football. It really means a lot. Thank you. Namaste.